My name is Matt Christensen, and I'm the product manager for the Keystone Cougar division. I'd like to invite you to take a look at our new 366 RDS fifth wheel. First of all, in the living room area, you'll notice that we have three distinct sitting areas here. One has forward-facing theater seats, both those two recline, and both of these two trifold sleeper sofas will fold out to make into a bed, still leaving a little bit of a gap right here in the middle for you to get through. We've done a couple things with our product this year. One I'm really excited about in this floor plan is the fact that we're able to give you this big 50-inch 4K television set and a big window. We do this by giving you what we call the televator. So if you're done watching TV and you want to enjoy the sights behind your campground, you can simply press this button to lower it and get it out of the way. To complement this entertainment center in this rear end, you have a big 48-inch fireplace. This fireplace isn't just for looks, it also acts as a 5500 BTU electric heater. 12-volt entertainment system that includes AM, FM, CD, DVD, and a Bluetooth connection. Air conditioner back here in the back, and this particular model is going to almost always come standard with two ACs as well, one in the rear and one all the way in the front. Again, notice all the windows and our residential style wood blinds. Gives it a nice warm look. Walking back in here to the kitchen area and looking from back to front, you'll notice that we have this hardwood beam. Gives you nice room separation, gives us a really nice warm look. In the kitchen, you've got solid surface LG countertop, lots of countertop space, lots of storage in the kitchen area, residential 1.6 cubic foot microwave, 21-inch oven with recessed glass cooktop, stainless steel 50/50 sink undermount with a pull-out sprayer on the faucet. On the dinette here, again, big windows, freestanding table and chairs is on this one, hardwood table, and this table features our smart slide system, so there's a lever underneath it where you can reach it. This table will actually shift from side to side to give you a little bit more room on either side. When we designed this floor plan, we wanted to make sure that the refrigerator was in a place where you guys have where customers have access to it while the slides are closed. That's something that people ask us for a lot. Not every floor plan can be designed that way, but when the slides are closed, this 12 cubic foot refrigerator will still be accessible with the slide outs in. Now this makes a statement. This double door pantry features 7-foot tall doors. We have this available on several models, the 311, the 366, the 32 DBH, and a couple more. Take a look at the storage you have in this. Customers complain all the time that they don't have quite enough storage in their unit after they buy it. They won't be saying that on this one. We do have a light on the inside, gives you motion sensor access, so when you open up the doors, the lights will turn on automatically. On all of our Cougar fifth wheels, we feature a 30-inch wide door. It's going to be taller than most. As you can see, I'm 6'5", and I hardly have to duck to get outside of this door. Walking up into the upper deck, one of the most exciting features I have today is this new pivot hinge door. For years, customers have been talking about the problem of this door in a bathroom swinging. It swings this way, you got to walk past it to get in. If you swing it the other way, you still have that problem. This pivot hinge door eliminates that problem. So with the door in the open position, you can still easily get by it. Take a look at our bathroom. We have a porcelain toilet, we have a linen closet, we have our 30x50 residential style shower with a seat. Inside the bedroom, you'll notice taller bedroom slide out. You'll see that we have a thermostatically controlled ducted AC in the bedroom. We have hardwood fascia, and this particular model is equipped with our optional king-size bed, available in every single full-size Cougar floor plan we have. This is a 70x80 residential king-size bed. When you lift it up, we do have some storage underneath there for blankets and towels and whatever you want to put in there. Full-size closet up here in the front, plenty of hanging space. We've even set up a little countertop here for those of you that like to have to use a CPAP machine. It's really close to the side of the bed. So you got plenty of room there. hardwood top so you can set your cell phone, a cup of water on either side of the bed. This is going to be in every single full-size Cougar we have. All right. Again, big window up here. This is going to act as an egress window. So, you know, in case of an emergency, this will open for you to exit to get out of the unit. All of our full-size Cougars are going to come equipped with a 32-inch bedroom TV. Plenty of drawer space, counter space. This, and back to this TV actually, I forgot to mention, this TV actually lifts out of its cradle and has a mount that's on the inside of the pass-through storage, so you can mount that TV out on the inside and watch TV from your campsite. So as you can tell, there is a ton of features in this new 366, as there is in all of our full-size Cougars. I'm really excited for you guys to take a deeper look at these Cougars, and I want to thank you for joining us today. To learn more about our full-size Cougars and our 20th anniversary edition package that we have in all of them, please visit KeystoneRV.com or a Cougar dealer near you.